Today I'm sharing 20 timeless ideas for elevating your next spring cardigan project. You know when the weather starts turning and you're so ready to pack away those thick winter coats? That's exactly when you need a cardigan worth making. I know, you've probably scrolled past dozens of cardigan patterns thinking, great, another plain cardigan I'll never actually wear. But here's the thing. With just a few thoughtful changes, you can transform a simple pattern into something that feels completely custom and uniquely yours. By the way, if you're new here, I'm Sarai and I've been sewing for almost 30 years and teaching you how to create a meaningful custom wardrobe for the last 15. I'm using the brand new Seamwork Thistle cardigan as our starting point. But most of these techniques will work on whatever cardigan pattern you have sitting in your stash. The beauty of starting with a pattern like Thistle is it's the perfect foundation to build on. The boxy silhouette lends itself to easy adjustments. The flat lay collar is the perfect canvas for embellishments. The semi-fitted cuff sleeves are a breeze to shorten or modify. And closure options are endless with that simple full back placket. With Thistle, you can start small or dream big. It handles both beautifully. Let's start with the easy wins. These are the changes that require zero pattern adjustments, but can completely transform your finished cardigan. Use statement buttons. This is probably my favorite low effort, high impact swap. Instead of those standard 1-inch buttons the pattern calls for, hunt down something with real personality. Think vintage mother of pearl, leather covered. You could even opt for choosing a few different coordinating buttons for a chic, eclectic look. The full back placket on Thistle is designed to showcase the buttons, so this is your chance to make them the star of the show. By the way, I'm going to be sharing tons of ideas here today, so I put them together into a handy cheat sheet that includes inspiration for each idea, plus my favorite cardigan patterns that you can try them on. Just click the link in the description to grab it for free so you can take this inspiration with you. Add rib knit cuffs. Here's a simple change that adds so much sophistication. Swap your cuff fabric for a coordinating rib knit. You keep the exact same cuff piece from the pattern, but that subtle texture and elasticity gives you this really polished, ready-to-wear look. Make a contrasting collar. Here's an easy way to introduce some visual interest. Cut that flat lay collar from a coordinating fabric instead of the main fabric. And since Thistle has a front placket opening, you don't have to worry too much about whether the stretch percentages match. Go subtle by using a slightly different shade of the same color, or use a print for a bolder look. Try a textured fabric. This is where fabric selection becomes your secret weapon. Instead of plain ponte or French terry, consider quilted knit for that gorgeous dimensional texture, or boucle sweater knit for something that feels really luxe. The construction stays exactly the same, but your finished piece looks like it costs 3 times what you actually spent. Add applique details. The clean lines of Thistle make it perfect for applique work, and the beauty of this idea is you can make it as simple or as complex as you want. Whether you're going for something playful with iron-on patches, or more sophisticated with hand-sewn fabric appliques, the minimal seam details on the front and back bodice pieces gives you the perfect canvas to work with. Ready to stretch your skills just a little? These next ideas introduce some new techniques while keeping the original silhouette intact. Add patch pockets. Thistle's flat front design makes it the perfect canvas for adding patch pockets. Not only does this give you somewhere to put your hands, but you can also try different pocket shapes for added design interest. Square, curve, pockets with flaps. This is a great place to play. Add lace trim details. I have a little collection of vintage laces and trims that I've accumulated over the years, and I could totally see myself adding lace trim to Thistle. Vintage lace would add such a delicate touch to the silhouette. A little on the collar for instant romance and sophistication, or even lace stripes across the front for dimensional texture that's absolutely stunning. Vintage trims have that perfect worn-in softness you just can't buy new. The key here is being mindful of how much you need your cardigan to stretch. You don't want the lace competing with the knit structure for fit. Add sequin trim. For something with a little more sparkle, sequin trim along the collar or placket edge turns your everyday cardigan into something special enough for evening wear. Just make sure to choose trim that's flexible enough to move with your knit fabric. Play with sleeve length. This is such an easy modification that can completely change the style of your cardigan. Crop those sleeves to bracelet length for a more contemporary look, or take them to elbow length and skip the cuff for something more casual and breezy for spring. Make it a matching set. Here's where you can have some real fun. Turn your cardigan into part of a coordinated outfit. Make a pair of Palmer pants in the same fabric for this elevated take on a sweatsuit that's perfect for spring. It sounds matchy-matchy, but when you do it in a sophisticated fabric and color, it looks incredibly put together. Now we're getting into modifications that'll noticeably change how your cardigan wears and drapes, but we're still working with Thistle's core structure. Adjust the length. This is probably the easiest way to completely change the whole vibe of your cardigan. Lengthen the body for this gorgeous long line layering piece that works beautifully over dresses, or crop it into more of a spring jacket length. The straight body of Thistle makes these adjustments really straightforward. Change up the collar edge. Thistle's flat lay collar invites so many opportunities for creative interpretation. Make it larger and more dramatic. Add some gentle curves for a softer look, or go angular for something more modern and architectural. Be sure to focus your mods on the outer edge of the collar so you don't have have to redraft the neckline. Small changes make a big visual impact here. Create a scarf collar. Here's something completely different. Skip the flat leg collar entirely and make a matching kerchief instead. You could even make it detachable like we did with the Seamwork Ivy pattern, which gives you ultimate versatility. Wear it tied, draped, or remove it completely for 3 different looks in one garment. And don't forget, you can get a downloadable cheat sheet of all these details and recommended patterns when you click the link in the description. You can even file it away with your favorite cardigan patterns so you remember all these fun ideas later when it's time to sew. Just click the link and we'll send you a PDF you can download instantly. Create a hemband finish. Instead of that 5/8 inch single fold hem, you could try finishing with a knit band that echoes your cuffs. And if you opt to use a coordinating rib knit, this could make for such a fun take on a spring sweatshirt. The Seamwork member bonus for Thistle actually includes a hemband piece, which makes the swap even easier. Try a contrast placket. This is where color blocking gets really fun. Instead of cutting your placket from the main fabric, separate it at the center front, add seam allowances, and cut it from a contrasting fabric. This creates opportunities for some really sophisticated color combinations and adds visual interest right where people naturally look. These ideas are for when you're ready to create something truly special. Statement-making modifications that push your cardigan into showstopper territory. Add an unexpected closure. This upgrade is actually pretty easy, but it can completely change the personality of your cardigan. Instead of using buttons, opt for something completely unexpected, like toggles for a sporty luxe vibe, or ribbon ties for something more romantic, or metal sweater clasps for a vintage-inspired finish. It's a simple change with showstopper results. Add embroidery details. This is where you can really make something one of a kind. Go simple with a blanket stitch or whip stitch around the edges for a folk-inspired look, or get elaborate with floral motifs or geometric patterns. The key is planning your embroidery before you construct the garment, since some areas may be easier to work on flat. Add beading. Beading can transform your cardigan into something truly special too. Whether you're doing all over beading or strategic placement for subtle sparkle, this level of hand detail makes your garment feel incredibly precious and custom. I have this Japanese beaded embroidery book that I've been dying to try out, and I think the collar would look amazing with some creamy white or pearl beading. Add feather trim. For something really bold and unexpected, consider feather trim. This works especially beautifully along the collar or placket edges, adding texture and movement that's completely unexpected on a knit cardigan. Add inset lace panels. This is probably the most advanced technique on our list, but the results are absolutely stunning. Add inset lace panels on the sleeves and body by first applying the lace with a zigzag stitch, then carefully cutting away the fabric underneath for that gorgeous transparency effect. It's like creating your own designer fabric. Now that you're inspired to add creative details to your spring cardigan, why not extend that same thoughtful approach to your heavier outerwear pieces? I've curated 20 detail ideas for coats and jackets sourced the old-fashioned way, from studying designer collections, coffee table books, and vintage pieces. Watch this video next to see these inspiring techniques that'll make your next outerwear project truly special.